Welcome back to my YouTube, guys. Today I'll be showing you guys simple recipe. It's high protein, low carb pizza. So today I'll be using today's ingredients is cottage cheese. Um, Guys, you guys are gonna be like, why is he using cottage cheese again? I'm telling you, this stuff is great. It's low in carbs, high protein. It's very good. So you're gonna see me use this in a lot of recipes that I'll show you guys. So we got that. I got some broccoli, some bell pepper. I got 2 large eggs. For seasoning, I got garlic and herb seasoning. I also got Italian seasoning, some garlic powder. I got some black pepper. And for another topping, I have some red onions cut up. And I got my tomato sauce. And for more protein, I got beef. So guys, we're gonna make the base. And for the base, I'm gonna use 1 cup of cottage cheese. So let's measure. Also, by the way, I never measure. I'm doing this for you guys because I know most of you guys like measurements. But if it was up to me, I'll just eye it and just do it. Okay, so we got 1 cup of cottage cheese. Put this back in the fridge. And what we're gonna do next is bring the blender over. So, okay, that's that. Cracking the 2 eggs. For the eggs, usually I don't use the yolk because of cholesterol, so I will use just one, and for the other one, I'll use an egg white only. But if you don't care, go ahead, you use both eggs. That's fine. Oops. So now I'm gonna add in some seasoning. So add in some Italian seasoning. For this one, just add as much as you like. For seasoning, I'll never tell you like how much to put in. Season as much as you like. As you can see, guys, I did not say any salt. That's because the cottage cheese already has a lot of sodium, so I don't put salt when I'm making anything with cottage cheese. Put in some garlic powder, add in some black pepper, and lastly add in the garlic and herb seasoning. Plus, since you're making this at home, if you like the spiciness of it, add in some crushed red peppers as well, and or add it on top, however you like it. Okay, let's blend this up. That should be enough, guys. Preheat your oven to 350. We're gonna put it on the parchment paper and cook it for about 30 minutes, and then we come back. You can put it in and see how it comes out. Wish me luck. Yeah. Put this bad boy. Okay, guys. So while the base is cooking, I'm gonna cook the beef. So heat up your pan. All right, guys. So it's hot. I'm gonna put it in now. And for the beef, I'm not using too much seasoning. Just garlic powder, some black pepper, and some pink salt. Just a little bit of salt. Like I said, um, the cottage cheese already has a lot of sodium, so you don't want to put too much salt. And guys, after like 5 minutes on medium heat, the beef is done, so I'm gonna take it out. I'm gonna cook a little bit more in the oven as well too as it's topping. So I'll leave it here for now. All right, guys, so 30 minutes is up. I'm gonna take it out the oven. So I'm gonna spread some tomato sauce, like so. Mind you, because I didn't use flour, it's gonna be a little flimsy. But like I said, if you want more of a pizza base, just mix it with flour and you should be good. Or I could try that one day and show you guys how that one comes out. Adding some mozz. Okay, so that's that. Add in the beef. Add in the onions, peppers, and the broccoli. And I guess I'll add a little bit more cheese to the top, just a little bit. And this goes back in the oven for like about 10 minutes. We should be good. So back to the oven it goes. Guys, it's done. But before I cut it and everything, I just wanted to tell you guys, I forgot to tell you in the beginning, try to use tomato sauce that's no added sugar, because if you're trying to lose weight, the most difficult thing to lose in your body is sugar, because almost everything we eat turns into sugar. So try to use a tomato base with no added sugar. And as you can see, that's how it turned out, guys. And I'm gonna try to cut a piece and try it for you guys. Ooh, messy. Okay. Tastes good. Guys, go ahead, give this a try. Like, subscribe, and share, and comment. Let me know how yours came out, and I'll see you guys in the next episode.